However, the presence of electron withdrawing groups at certain positions of ring activate the halogen of aryl halide towards the substitution reaction. For example, presence of electron withdrawing groups at ortho and or at para positions greatly increases the reactivity of haloarenes towards the substitution of halogen atom. Aryl halides, they do not undergo easily the nucleophilic substitution reaction, but when some electron withdrawing groups are present at ortho or para positions, then they are greatly increases the reactivity of halogens towards the substitution reaction. Greater the number of electron withdrawing groups at ortho or para positions, greater is the reactivity. Electron withdrawing groups at meta position has practically no effect on reactivity. Only when the electron withdrawing groups are present at the ortho and para positions, they influence the substitution reactions of aryl halides, but when electron withdrawing groups are present at meta positions, has practically no effect on the reactivity of aryl halides. These are the three examples of aryl halides, that is chlorobenzene. In first example, one electron withdrawing group is present. In second example, two electron withdrawing groups are present, and in third example, three electron withdrawing groups are present. In first example, when one electron withdrawing group are present at para position, that is called para nitrochlorobenzene, when reacts with NaOH at 433 Kelvin and then it undergoes hydrolysis, it gives the product, that is para nitrophenol, and this is the eliminate chloride ion. Here Cl is substituted by the OH group, therefore there is formation of para nitrophenol. In a second example, two electron withdrawing groups are present. One is present at ortho position and second is present at para position. That compound is called 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene. When it reacts with NaOH or aqueous Na2CO3 at 403 Kelvin and then undergoes hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, it gives the product that is called 2,4-dinitrophenol. Here yield of this product is 55%, which is greater than the first product, that is para nitrophenol. Here Cl is substituted by the OH group. And in third example, when three electron withdrawing groups are present, then the yield of the product is 93%, which is greater than the yield 55%, because in this example, three electron withdrawing groups are present, two are at ortho position and one is at para position. When this is warmed with water, it gives the product 2,4,6-trinitrophenol and yield is 93%. The next point is, do you know occurrence of nucleophilic substitution in para nitrochlorobenzene can be explained on the basis of resonance stabilization of the intermediate, and that intermediate is formed in this resonating structure. This is para nitrochlorobenzene when reacts with nucleophile, that is OH minus. This gives the product, that is para nitrophenol, and byproduct is chloride ion. This nucleophile attacks on this carbon of benzene to which chlorine is attached. To this carbon chlorine is also attached. These are the resonating structure. Here two nucleophile Cl and OH both attached to this carbon. There is a formation of negative charge at ortho position, and this negative charge transferred to these two carbons and this electron transferred towards this carbon. Therefore there is a formation of carbanion to this second structure. Then this this negative charge transferred towards the carbon and nitrogen. There is a formation of double bond between carbon and nitrogen. This carbon carries positive charge and these electron transferred towards this oxygen. Therefore, this oxygen carries negative charge. In resonating structure third, then in resonating structure third, these electrons on oxygen transferred between oxygen and nitrogen, and these electrons bond between nitrogen and carbon transferred between these two carbons. Therefore, this resonating structure is formed. In this resonating structure, next this negative charge transferred between these two carbons, and the bond between C and Cl breaks down. Therefore, Cl minus is removed in the form of chloride ion, and there is formation of our product, that is para-nitrophenol. The resonance structure third, this resonance structure third shows that the electron withdrawing nitro group, NO2 group, in the para position extends the conjugation. This conjugation extends. The negative charge is formed at ortho, para and ortho position, but this negative charge is extends due to the presence of NO2 group in the para position, extends the conjugation. As a result, the intermediate carbanion, that is structure second, this structure second, the intermediate carbanion is better stabilized, which favors nucleophilic substitution reaction. Then third reaction of aryl halides is electrophilic substitution, SE reactions in aryl halides. Aryl halides, they undergo electrophilic substitution reaction slowly as compared to the benzene. As electron density is relatively more at the ortho and para positions of chlorobenzene, we have to see in the chlorobenzene resonating structure, the electron density is more at the ortho and para positions. The incoming electrophile attacks at these positions, means ortho and para positions, but due to steric hindrance at ortho position, para product usually predominates. At ortho position there is a steric hindrance, therefore ortho product is not the main product. The main product is para product. In haloarenes, halogen atom has strong electron withdrawing inductive effect, that is -I effect. This deactivates the ring. Due to the electron withdrawing group of halogen atom, the benzene ring deactivates and the electrophilic reaction occurs slowly. The first electrophilic reaction is halogenation. Introduction of halogen atom in benzene ring is called halogenation, but in this halogenation we have to see the reaction, that is chlorination, means introduction of chlorine atom in the benzene ring. When chlorobenzene reacts with chlorine in the presence of catalyst like anhydrous ferric chloride, that is FeCl3, to give a mixture of orthodichlorobenzene, it is also called 1,2-dichlorobenzene, and para-dichlorobenzene, that is 1,4-dichlorobenzene. The reactions in the books, they are not given correctly, therefore write down these reactions. 2 molecules of chlorobenzene when reacts with 2 molecules of chlorine in the presence of anhydrous FeCl3, it gives first 1 Cl is substituted here at ortho position and 1 Cl is at para position. Therefore, first product is called 1,2-dichlorobenzene, that is the minor product, and second product is 1,4-dichlorobenzene, that is the major product. These hydrogens from ortho and para positions are substituted, therefore 2 hydrogen atoms are removed or substituted, reacts with 2 chlorine atoms, therefore byproduct is 2 molecules of HCl. Second electrophilic substitution reaction is nitration, that is introduction of nitro group, NO2 group in benzene ring. When chlorobenzene heated with concentrated HNO3 nitric acid in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, this mixture is also called nitrating mixture, means when chlorobenzene heated with nitrating mixture, it gives a mixture of 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene and 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene, that is the major product. Here also 2 molecules of chlorobenzene, here 2 molecules of chlorobenzene reacts with 2 molecules of concentrated HNO3. This reaction takes place in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. Here this concentrated H2SO4 acts as a catalyst, hit that reaction. One NO2 group is introduced in the ortho position and one NO2 group at para position. This is 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene, that is minor product. Here 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene, that is major product, and byproducts are 2 molecules of water. Third electrophilic substitution reaction is sulfonation, that is introduction of sulfonic acid group, that is SO3H group in benzene ring. When chlorobenzene heated with fuming H2SO4, it gives a mixture of 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid and 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Here also taken 2 molecules of chlorobenzene reacts with fuming nitric acid, 2 molecules of H2SO4. It is written like 2 molecules of HO and SO3H. Here SO3H, one SO3H group is introduced in ortho position and second at para position, and there are formation of 2 molecules of water as a byproduct. 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, this is minor product, and 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid is the major product. Fourth reaction is Friedel-Crafts reaction. In Friedel-Crafts reaction, there is introduction of alkyl group, that is R group, or acyl group, that is COR group in benzene ring. Here 2 types of Friedel-Crafts reactions are present. First is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation, there is the introduction of alkyl group in the benzene ring. For example, when chlorobenzene reacted with methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 catalyst, it gives a mixture of 1-chlorotoluene and 4-chlorotoluene. 2 molecules of chlorobenzene reacts with 2 molecules of methyl chloride in the presence of catalyst anhydrous AlCl3. It gives a mixture of 1-chlorotoluene and 4-chlorotoluene, and byproduct are 2 molecules of HCl. Here introduction of alkyl group, that is methyl group in the benzene ring. Therefore this is the example of Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Then Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. When chlorobenzene reacts with acetyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous Al3 catalyst, it gives a mixture of 1-chloroacetophenone and 4-chloroacetophenone. 2 molecules of chlorobenzene reacts with 2 molecules of acetyl chloride, CH3 C double bond OCl, anhydrous AlCl3. It gives 1-chloroacetophenone there and 4-chloroacetophenone. Here introduction of COCH3 group means COR group, that is the example of Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. आणि या प्रकारे आपल्या हॅलो अरेंजच्या रिॲक्शन्स या ठिकाणी संपलेले आहेत. त्याच्यानंतर तुम्हाला जो पॉईंट दिलेला आहे पुस्तकामध्ये पेज नंबर 229 वर, युजेस अँड एन्व्हायरमेंटल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ सम पॉलीहॅलोजन कंपाऊंड्स, हा पॉईंट तुमच्या सिलेबसमधनं, आपल्या बोर्डाच्या सिलेबसमधून बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेसाठी हा पॉईंट डिलीट करण्यात आलेला आहे, जो की पॉईंट नंबर आहे 10.7. आणि त्याच्यानंतर ह्याच्यामध्ये आपल्या शेवटच्या पेजवर 231 पेजवर ह्या चॅप्टरच्या एक्झरसाइज दिलेल्या आहेत, काही क्वेश्चन्स दिलेले आहेत जे की तुम्ही सॉल्व करायचे आहेत आणि ट्युटोरियलच्या वहीमध्ये लिहून ठेवायचे आहेत. जेव्हा आपले रेग्युलर कॉलेज सुरू होईल तेव्हा ते चेक केलं जाईल.